Look at the other item. Difference between left and right graphs. What? Then you have the globalization. This is another example that he adapted the Q&A, made the extract and did the globalization. And he doesn't care about the globalization, so it's dummy and he can tolerate this. So he doesn't spend time editing, removing this, or still he hasn't done the next repetition. So he had no opportunity to delete it. By the way, what I do, so time to time, once a month or whenever like this, I do find and replace. Question mark, space, square bracket, dot, 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 and closing square bracket, find and replace. And I replace by just the question mark. So I get rid of this in bulk. I don't have to edit every single time. I don't spend time manually to do this. If it happens in the repetitions, I just tolerate the noise. And the second point is that he doesn't says what is the difference between. It's difference between left and right graphs. So you could say that it's not proper grammar in English, but it's more to the point, because at the end of the day, you ask the question to yourself. You don't have to be syntactically correct, grammatically correct, and be verbose if this for you is already atomic and works for you. I already know it's implicit what is at the beginning. Why? Because in incremental reading, you do the question and answers for yourself to recall this in the future and have this in your long-term memory. You are not going to share this with other people, unlike Anki. Most Anki users will use someone else's card. This will affect the formulation. Then you will have to follow the proper grammar rules and syntax and the spelling. Unless it's a genuine typo, that doesn't happen. But your intention is, hey, this has to be read for anyone, not for just myself. That's why you can get shortcuts like that.